In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a survey in Airtable. It's really quite straightforward and we'll have everything set up in just 5 minutes, so let's dive in. To begin with, head over to the Airtable website and log into your account. If you haven't signed up yet, it's quick to create an account and you can follow along with us as we go through the steps. Once you're logged in, you'll need to either open an existing base or create a new one. A base in Airtable is essentially a database and acts as the foundation where all your data is stored and organized. Choose a base that aligns with your survey's theme or objectives. With your base ready, it's time to create a designated table for your survey responses. This table will serve as the hub where all the data from your survey will be gathered. It's a great way to keep everything organized and easily accessible. Now go ahead and locate the Create New option. It's usually pretty visible and intuitive to find, even if you're new to Airtable. Upon clicking Create New, you'll see several options. Choose Form from the list and give it a relevant name. Naming your form appropriately is crucial as it would allow you and others to identify it easily, especially if you're managing multiple forms within Airtable. Next, it's time to customize your form. This is where you can really tailor the survey to fit your needs. Start adding questions that align with the insights you're aiming to gain. You can include different types of questions, such as multiple choice, text fields, or rating scales, depending on the kind of responses you are looking to collect. Airtable's interface is user-friendly, making it simple to drag and drop fields, rearrange them, and modify them according to your preferences. This customization step is vital because a well-structured form can significantly influence the quality of the responses you receive. Once your form is looking the way you want it to, it's time to share your survey. Airtable makes sharing easy. You can distribute the form via a link, email, or by embedding it directly onto a website. Regardless of the method you choose, ensure it reaches the right audience to garner meaningful responses. And that's it. You now know how to create a survey in Airtable. With just a few clicks and a little creativity in the customization phase, you can start collecting valuable data in no time. Remember to regularly check your survey responses and analyze the data to make informed decisions. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.